Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. If you're new here, you are very welcome, and thanks so much for clicking on today's video. And you're going to need a bag of carrots, 3 oranges, and 2 tangerines. First, rinse your carrots, peel it, and cut it. And this is another recipe where you can use a blender if you don't have a juicer, and in this case I decided to use my blender because it's just easier. After cutting the carrots, I'm going to peel my ginger now, and followed by the oranges and the tangerines. You know, I love sharing the health benefits of all the ingredients I always use in my juices or smoothies. And tangerines, although they are smaller than oranges, one tangerine contains more usable vitamin C than one large orange. I'm peeling my lemon now, and I'm going to use half of it. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C as well. I'm going in the blender now with our star ingredient, the carrots. Carrots are full of benefits. They may promote healthy vision, balance your blood sugar, help with weight management, lower your risk of cancer, regulate blood pressure, reduce heart disease, improve immunity, and boost brain health. So carrot is definitely one key ingredient you need to incorporate into your diet. Good for the hair and good for our skin as well. I'm going in now with a little bit of water to make sure everything is blended nicely, and all the other ingredients. This is turmeric. You can use the fresh one if you have it as well. And turmeric is another great ingredient because it regulates blood sugar levels, improves skin health, and reduces inflammation. Oranges are a great source of vitamin C. An orange improves digestive health, aids in weight loss, lowers colon cancer, and reduces heart disease risk. In addition to vitamin C, orange contains also fiber that keeps blood sugar levels in check and reduces high cholesterol. Feel free to drop any health benefits of all these ingredients that you know of. Now let's blend the rest of the ingredients and drain the juice. If you are enjoying today's recipe, kindly give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new here, do consider subscribing so you can be notified when I upload a new video. For sweetener, I will be using honey, but sometimes I use dates. It's another great natural sweetener. I will be using roughly a tablespoon of honey. With the juicer, I skip this step, and that's the only time I miss using my juicer, to be honest, because it takes time just to clean it afterwards. And there you have it, our carrot juice. Very refreshing, is so ready. If you love using turmeric as well in your carrot juice, let me know. But I love the freshness, the taste, especially when I add the ginger to it and the lemon. Oh guys, it's just take the whole juicing game on another level. Let me try this juice and let you know exactly what I think. You can see I already have more than half of the glass, but guys, it was so refreshing. Let me just finish this. And with summer around the corner, you can just throw in some ice there, and you're going to really love this carrot juice. It will just quench your thirst for sure. If you love today's recipe, you know exactly what to do. Please give this video a thumbs up and help me grow this channel by sharing my content with family and friends. And I will see you all in my next video. Take care. Bye for now. Au revoir.